Yeah! Get up!
What is up, everybody? We are on our way to bike night at the newest Harley-Davidson dealership in the area, Rocklin Harley-Davidson. If you are familiar with the Sacramento region, Rocklin is like northeast-ish, I believe, of the city of Sacramento. It's just, I guess, just east of Roseville. Anyway, we are headed out there for bike night. Just kind of a night for everyone to bring out their bikes and have a little fun and some food. So we're heading on out there, and we're gonna check it out. This is actually the first time I've gone to an event out there. They just had their grand opening a couple of weeks ago. They've had kind of a soft opening for the last couple months, but they had like a big event out there a few weeks ago. I wasn't able to make it out for that, so I'm just hoping to make it out now to check out this new dealership. It's actually in partnership, I believe, with another Harley-Davidson dealership, which I've done a couple test rides at, which was Folsom Harley-Davidson. So this building, at least from what I can see online, is set up a little bit different. The look of it is a little bit different. Looks maybe like it's a little bit smaller, but we're gonna find out here in a little bit. And once we get there, I'm sure I'll have a lot more for you. So take this, what we've got left of this trip, and I'll see you when we get there.
A few moments later.
We are just about there. You can see city of Rocklin. I mean, what kind of city has an off-ramp that looks like that? One that has some very affluent people. Affluent, is that a word? Am I using that correctly? Oh, I think I have my visor down already. That sun is bright. Now this event started at 6 o'clock, and I was hoping to get there right around 6 o'clock, but due to traffic, we got a little delayed, so I'm guessing it's probably about 6:30 if I had to guess. Which is no big deal. That just means there'll be more bikes there by the time we get there. Siri's telling me in my ear that we'll be there in 1 mile. Which side of the road, though, she has not told me. So we'll find out together. Might have to make a little U-turn here if it's on the left side, because I'm not gonna cut somebody off just to find out. Actually, it kind of looks like it's gonna be on the left. No? All right. No, set it on the right. That's it, on the right. We're just gonna weave through here. This is the nice thing about California, is our generous lane splitting laws allow me to do that legally. Yeah, it looks like it's going to be up here on the right. So here we are, just about there. Surprised that there aren't, like, I'm not riding here with a couple other guys that are approaching the dealership. So we'll see how it goes. Looks like I can see the Harley-Davidson here on the right. So here we are, bike night at Harley-Davidson in Rocklin, California. Let's see what I'm riding into here. We're gonna park right over here, just because I don't feel like parking with the rest of these impressive machines.
5 minutes later.
a pretty fun activity. Definitely worth the trip on out here. Some pretty nice bikes, some good company, and what do you know, it's always nice to have free food. But hopefully we like to get out to some of those events more often. And it would be nice also to get a little group together and go. Because again, it's fun to go by yourself. It's fun to go with your family. But it's even more fun to go with a little group. But here we go, we're back on the freeway, headed home. Hopefully we can get home before it gets too dark. Either way, it's been a great day. Would have released these two videos separately, but we did the bike night at Rocklin Harley-Davidson, and today at my place of work, the University of California, Davis, we had Take Our Daughters to Work Day, and that was pretty awesome. So guys, this is where I will leave you, but as always, I will tell you, if you are so inclined, hit that like button down there, and also I'll pop up the subscribe button right over here, and you can go ahead and press that if you'd like. I'll also throw some links over here in this direction if you want to go straight to one of my other videos. Guys, if you're riding, be safe, and if you're not riding, get wrecked. It's that one guy, and I'm out.